As Zimbabwe advances fiscal consolidation and institutional reform, familiar narratives of division have resurfaced. Claims under Vascular News allege secret cash payments, salary reversals, and coup fears within the security sector. They are sensational, but scrutiny matters. Sanabina mashukobudani gopangwa ino achinzi disinformation, discipline, in the politics of destabilization. Let us subscribe or like it on the bell. Continue pangwa ine watakwana ina wazir kunzi coup fears as the military give secret payments. Anobudanyira achiti. The 2026 national budget clearly outlines structured allocations for security sector, employment cost, operations, training, and infrastructure. Any salary adjustment fall within treasury frameworks, not social media pressure or political panic. Claims of clandestine $75 payments to avert instability are not just speculative, they are structurally impossible. In a centrally administered, audited payroll system, large-scale extra budgetary payments leave fiscal footprints. Rumor leaves none. More revealing is the intent behind the narrative to weaponize grievances and sow divisions between junior ranks and leadership. Routine institutional provisions, vehicles, allowance, operational mobility are being reframed as lavish gifts. In reality, security institutions operate on hierarchy, protocol, and defined conditions of service. Logistics are not indulgences, they are operational necessities. The 2026 budget reflects a state reinforcing capacity within fiscal limits, covering recruitment, training, accommodation, rehabilitation, equipment procurement, and landmine clearance. Stability is not a luxury, it is the foundation of growth. Investors, tourism, and infrastructure all depend on order. Outrage is not evidence. Payroll systems are auditable. Procurement is documented. Assertion without proof are political tools designed to dramatize disparity and imply fracture. Ndo mashwarubda pana panyongwa na Levson Chabati panguva ino achiuya achara pamusoro penhau dziri kusekuleta pamusoro pedzimwe mari dziri extra dziri kubhadharwa masenior officials pauchiti masalary cards arikuya achipiwa majunior officials achiuya achiti this is disinformation. Imbodze mafungiro emuri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi chatiri kuona kuti pava nenhau ava dziri kusiyana. Vamwe vari kuya vachitaura nhau dzavo, vamwe vari kuya vachistopa vachiti ewo manyepo. But mucommunity yemuZimbabwe munozikanwa kunzi mune mbinga, mune zvigananda vanozikanwa kunzi vane mari. People vanokwanzi they can do whatsoever they want at any time. Nhau dzekuti aiwa masenior officials they were given money hadzingazonzi ndedzemanyepo. Vanhu vanotodzibhiliva just because they know kuti nyika yeZimbabwe mune vanhu vanozikanwa nezvinhu zvavo. Mina comment section medu dzafungura enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.